How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. So if you want to add contacts on your WhatsApp web, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your WhatsApp web application, or just simply go with your browser and then search for WhatsApp and make sure that you've logged in to your WhatsApp on your web. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with a new tab and then search for Chrome Web Store. And here you need to open up your Chrome Web Store. Go with search for InTouch app contacts, and here you need to go with add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and then go with add extension. Once the extension has been added, you need to download the application, which is InTouch application, on your phone also, and then install the extension on your browser and pin the extension. After that, you'll be able to log in to your extension and you'll be able to allow new contact. So you need to just go back to your WhatsApp and go with the extensions right here and go with pin extension for InTouch. And here you need to click on InTouch and log in to your InTouch using your mobile device. So open InTouch app on your phone and then tap on plus and select scan QR code. And after scanning the QR code, you'll be able to add contacts on your WhatsApp. You will have a plus button on the top left, which will be like this. And once you tap on the plus button, you'll be able to enter the name and all of the contact information. Then you'll be able to save your contact. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.